Hello, my name is Lulu from Little Llama Crochet. Let's learn how to crochet the double crochet. Alright, we're going to start with a chain 3. It's 1, 2, 3. And here's a quick overview of how to complete the double crochet. So we're going to start by yarning over and inserting our hook through the next stitch that we want to go into. We'll yarn over again and we'll pull up 3 loops on our hook. Okay, we can see the 3 loops here. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. And then we'll yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops. Excellent. So let's try again. So we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the stitch, the next stitch. We'll yarn over again and pull up 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. Awesome. All right, let's do one more. So we're going to yarn over, insert into our stitch, yarn over again, pull up 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Awesome. And here's our beautiful double crochet. Subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thank you for watching.